Okay, today you'll be learning how to use a calculator to find the equation for an exponential function. This is an example from a given table, given values. Given values to find.
What is the written form of the function represented by the table?
¿Cuál es la forma escrita de la función representada por la siguiente tabla?
Okay, in order to figure out the function, the exponential function of these given values, first we go to stat. And we edit. So let's enter. The values L1 and L2. L1 are going to put the values of x, and L2 the function x, so y values. We manually are going to press the numbers 0, enter, 1, enter, 2, enter, 3, enter, 4, enter. And we go to and plug in the y values, which are 4, enter, 12, enter, 36, enter, 108, enter, and 324, and enter. Now, from this point, we have plugged the values. Our goal is to figure out the function, the exponential function. How do we do that? Now, go to second and quit. We go back to stat. And we move to calc because we want to find the expression regression. So we go stat, calc, and you go either way, you press 0 or you scroll down for the expression regression, which is 0. Either way, you press 0 here or you scroll down to 0. Enter. Now it's giving the values L1, L2, frequency list, store, regression, equation, and calculate. Let's enter all this and calculate. Now, this is y is equal to a, the formula y is equal to a times b to the power of x. Now, a represents the initial value. You already know that. We figure out this is the equation. Let's see the solution and see if we did the right steps. Let's see the solution on the thing here. So the initial amount is 4. And the constant ratio is 3. Now, the next step, how to graph this. Since we know the values of a and b, we can go to y value. Okay, second, you press 4 and 3, you write the numbers down. Second mode, and we go to plug in y value. Y1 is equal to, so the values were, the initial value was 4 times 3, close parenthesis, to the power of x. And here next to alpha is the x value, you press x. Again, to graph this, you press the graph on top, press the graph, and we see the graph now, the exponential function. Now, if you like to see the equation, we go to second, calc, and see the intersection, number 5, enter, and it gives us the intersection here, which is the initial amount. The initial amount starts at 4 here, 0, 4. So x is 0 and y is 4. So in function fx is equal to a times b to the power of x, we substitute 4 for a and 3 for b. The function is fx, as we see here, fx, this represents fx, is equal to 4 times 3 to the power of x.